Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a festive year-round project. Today we're making these cute stuffed heart ornaments. Use them to decorate your Christmas tree, or your Valentine's Day tree, or another time of year. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, photos, and the printable template. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed heart ornaments today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, fiber fill, pinking shears, a ribbon, and don't forget the printable template. First, cut out the heart template and place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the heart together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the top open for stuffing. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the top opening to stuff the heart with fiber fill, filling as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening, fold the ribbon in half, and insert the raw edges of the ribbon into the opening, and pin it in place. Stitch the opening closed and readjust the stuffing. And just like that, just that fast, you have these festive heart ornaments. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. See you next time with another project.